Good evening, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Tonight I'm going to teach you how to multiply, how to do times tables in Excel. So it's pretty easy. It's similar to all the other videos I've shown you. You choose the cell that you want to do the multiplication. You click equals, make sure you do a parentheses, choose the first value, do the times symbol, it's shift number 8, and click the next value. Close it with a parentheses, hit enter. You've just multiplied. Let's say you want to multiply multiple cells. Choose the, whoops, you got to always do a parentheses. My bad. Choose the first one, shift 8 for the multiplication sign. Choose the second one, shift 8 again. If you're trying to do multiple values, close with the parentheses, hit enter, and now you've multiplied multiple values. Okay? That, my friends, is how you multiply in Excel. If you found that useful, check out the other tutorials I made on Excel and subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.